What we got here is grit from the well. We are at the washing machine, and these are the external. They go in here for the water supply, and we've already cleaned them. So they've been cleaned and they're ready to go back in. Nice and clean. These are the internals for the hot and cold water. So here's one that's cleaned. It's a very small screen to catch this grit. Here's one that's dirty. Very small particles. So we're going to clean them up, put them back into the washing machine, and put these back into the hot and cold water supply, and we'll be good to go. And what that's going to do is make the water flow into the washer a lot faster. It's going to speed up the washing process.